individual or business owner behind on tax payments to the IRS? Has the COVID-19 pandemic negatively impacted your income and your ability to pay your liabilities? You may be able to use a first time penalty abatement waiver or just cause defense to reduce the penalties due. You can apply for a first time penalty abatement if you have filed and paid all returns and taxes previously, but currently have a failure to file, failure to pay, or failure to deposit penalty. But this waiver can only be used every 3 years, so be sure to analyze the current penalty amount you have and weigh it against any potential lost opportunity for you to use it in the future. A reasonable cause defense can be used to explain your situation and prove that you tried to meet the requirements, but a situation beyond your control prevented you from being able to file or pay timely. Examples of reasons can include death, serious illness, or the absence of a person who would have the information needed to file, fire, casualty, natural disaster, or disturbance. Often the IRS proactively names situations that occur as natural disasters and extends deadlines. But if your situation was not due to a widespread situation, you'll need to explain to the IRS why you were unable to pay or file on time and show support for this reason. An inability to obtain records needed to file or pay the amounts due. This is especially true now due to the shutdowns that occurred due to the COVID-19 pandemic. With businesses being considered non essential, often some of them had to close, and documentation may not be readily available. Erroneous advice or difficulty understanding the legislation. There was so much legislation that came about so quickly and with little guidance. And sometimes the information came months after legislation was approved, knowing how to actually apply the legislation. That this is a valid excuse for the delayed or unpaid taxes and filings. Taxpayers have had multiple options in the past to be able to take care of some of their tax liabilities, including extensions, installment agreements, and offers in compromise. However, the Taxpayer Relief Act, passed in late 2020, has given flexibility in these arrangements as well. If you owe past tax to the IRS and haven't yet applied for a first time penalty abatement or a reasonable cause defense, be sure to talk to your tax advisor about these and see if using one of these options will help you with your tax liabilities. If you need to reach us, you can contact us through our phone number at 310-534-5577 or our email contact@abandp.com.